Hi everyone, in this video we will be talking about ASI04 agentic supply chain vulnerabilities. Traditional software already depend on third-party packages. Agentic systems add a more dynamic supply chain, which includes models, tools, plugins, datasets, prompts, memory templates, MCP servers, agent-to-agent interface, registries, and even other agents may be discovered or loaded at runtime. That means the composition of the application can change while it is operating as well. Consider an agent that installs an MCP server advertised as a convenient file conversation tool. The package performs conversions correctly, so basic testing passes. But its tool descriptions contain hidden instructions and encourage the agent to to send selected files to an attacker controlled endpoint, or probably a registry entry for a trusted finance agent is replaced with a lookalike. Other agents discover it dynamically and being routing sensitive work to the malicious versions. The source document makes an important distinctions here. If an attacker corrupts the interface of an otherwise legitimate tool at runtime to specially influence tool selection, that can be tool misuse under ASI02 that we talked about. If the tool plugin, model, an artifact, or artifact itself is malicious or compromises the source, that's a supply chain risk under this particular section. Now, what shall we do? Start an inventory. You cannot secure dependency you do not know exist. So start with AI bill of material. Record models, versions, tools, endpoints, registries, prompts, data sets, agent identities, and update channels, including components selected dynamically at runtime. Make sure you pin versions and verify provenance and integrity. Use signed artifacts, checksums, a trusted registry, and controlled updated processes. Evaluate supplier and components without doubt before even deploying it. Then constrain the component at a runtime. A trusted plugin should still run with minimal permissions. Isolated execution, restricted egress, and monitored behavior is something which is without a doubt we need it. Finally, prepare for revocation. If a tool, model, or an agent is compromised, can you identify every workflow using it, disable it quickly, roll back the version, and validate associated credentials? Supply chain compromise can introduce unsafe behavior into the agent's execution path. In the next video, we focus on the moment text becomes executable. Thank you so much for looking at this video. See you in the next video.